Hi, I'm Dylan Bentley, and this is my project for how to build a digital physical system. So originally I started out making a laser cut iris, which was going to be controlled by the light levels in the room. It would open and close like any other eye. Some of the problems I ran into were with laser cutting it and dealing with friction. You can see right here the product as it's being built. And so the final product was pretty cool looking, but the only thing was is that the servo motor didn't have the capacity to move it, and you can see here that's how it was mounted and set up before it was fully assembled. There's another picture. And these next pictures are going to be of the actual wiring. They're not perfectly descriptive, but you can kind of see what was going on in them. So basically the analog pen was receiving the data about the light levels and then controlling the servo motor based on it. So this is the problem that I ran into. You can see I'm controlling the light levels over here, and you can see the servo turning as I change it, which worked fine. But once it got to a certain point, the servo would detach from the mounting device, which at that time was pretty simple. It was just glue and some tape. And I did try it with a better system, and it still had the same problem. At that point, it just wouldn't turn the servo motor. This is what it should have done, what it would have looked like. And you can see that with the laser cut material, towards the end of this, it breaks off. It doesn't stay intact. And this is because there was so much friction that the parts weren't staying together, which is a huge problem. This is what the final product would have looked like if it had been finished and worked fine. So this is kind of what the construction would look like. Everything on the Arduino board's inside, and there's just a space for the wire for the servo and the power to come out. So that was my project. Hopefully you enjoyed. If I were to do it again, I would fix these problems. You will use a lower friction material and see how it turned out. Thank you.